All right, guys, so here is a haul from Aldi's, and this particular haul is our weekly haul for some of the meals I'm going to be doing this week. So on the menu, I do have a cauliflower mash that I want to make. I want to make some baked salmon. I also want to make some seafood pizza. I want to do the meatless tacos, and what else? We have quite a few things on the list, but I'm not cooking every day of the week, but at least 4 days I will be cooking. Other days they will kind of we call it the fend for yourself day. So yeah, all of this from Aldi's. Now, exception of two things. This right here and that right there was from the double back guarantee. If you are new to my channel, you would know. You probably wouldn't know about it if you don't know about Aldi's. And if you do know about Aldi's, some of you still don't know. It's called the twice as nice guarantee. If you buy anything at Aldi's and you do not like the taste, you do not like anything about it, and you want your want to take it back, you can. Not only can you take it back, but you can also get a refund. So it's the product and you get your money back. So I have that right there that replaced some coconut milk that I tried that was too sweet, extremely too sweet. So I replaced it with that. And then I had some raisin bread. I cannot find the Sun-Maid raisin bread. I don't know if they stopped selling it. I don't know if you guys still have it in your stores. I love Sun-Maid raisin bread. It gives you just enough cinnamon, sweetness, and raisins in the bread. That raisin bread from Aldi's suck. But my kids love bagels, and I do too. So I wanted to go with mini so I didn't have to eat such a big bagel. So those were my money back guarantees. Let me show you the receipt. And no, you do not have to have the original receipt. Some stores kind of be anal and some are not. But look, it says original coconut milk and cinnamon bread. So I switched it for mini bagels and unsweetened almond milk. And they gave me cash. So this is the cash that I got back that's going to be going in my savings bucket. These are ways that you could save. See, little quick ways to find cash. So I'll throw that in my bucket. But yeah, they returned the items and also gave me my money back. So that is what the double guarantee is for Aldi's. So let's start from this area here. I have some veggie straws, which was requested by Naya, and all of us actually like those. So I got veggie straws. I wanted to do some roasted asparagus because my baby girl Naya wants some. I don't know if I'm going to do a garlic or if I'm going to do like a glaze on it. I might make that when I make this, and probably make the cauliflower as well, like a cauliflower mash, do the roasted asparagus and some salmon, just like a regular salmon. I don't know, we shall see. But they love when I put that like honey glaze on the cauliflower mash, like a gravy. So I don't know. So I have my salmon here, and these are $13.38. And excuse me, I got two of them. Well, one is $13.23. I got two of them. I wanted some fresh salmon. You see the cauliflower, the mini bagels. I got some sunflowers to snack on, some ginger ales. If I really need some pop and want something sweet, I will do a ginger ale. And one ginger ale is like 150 calories. So you see the milk was replacement for the coconut milk. I love unsweet, and I don't like sweet milk. I don't like my cereal to be extra sweet. Then I wanted to do some roasted Brussels sprouts. I cannot wait. I got some awesome ways that I like to make those. There's so many ways you could do Brussels sprouts. And then I'm going to be doing a seafood pizza. So I got some mozzarella cheese. I got some scallops just to do pasta with, but also to put on my pizza. And we're going to do some meatless tacos. Oh my gosh, if you have not tried my meatless tacos, I shared them. I don't know if I did a full-on video. Let me know, because I can't remember if I did a full-on video or was it just a live. Because if I have to do a full-on video of it, I probably will. I think I did, and I just didn't edit it. I'm gonna have to look and see, because I thought that I did. So I have my sandwich skinnies, which are thinner than eating regular bread and a little bit less fattening. For one of them, it's 100 calories. Y'all see, I am trying my best to slowly do better, but still incorporate stuff that I like. So here are the tortillas, because we're going to be doing like the little tacos. Then my daughter and I both love these. We like to put peanut butter on them, and sometimes just eat them regular. Rice cakes. I got some Parmesan cheese that will go in some of the pasta meals and also on some of the pizzas that I do. Ricotta cheese, I'm thinking about doing like a stuffed shell, another meatless lasagna. Pickles, always got to have them on deck. My girls love pickles. Naya requested some 100% juice, but something different. So I got mango passion and mango tangerine. Hopefully those taste good. If not, I can do the double back guarantee. Got some pink salmon that will be for, the frozen one will be for my pizza. And I have my wheat thins. These are so good. My other box is almost gone. So these are the items I picked up this week. And this was about 79, 80 bucks for all this stuff. But yep. that is for this week. And yeah, we don't eat meat, so we kind of incorporate more of, like I said, the salmons and seafoods and stuff like that. But I wanted to share my weekly shopping with you guys, because I told y'all I like to do the big bulk shopping, get that out the way, and I usually don't have to do that every month, but if I do, I'll share that. But if not, in between the weekly ones, I will share what I have been getting. I hope you guys are enjoying these. If you have any questions about anything that you see here, about any recipes that you want me to make, or I talked about and I haven't made it yet, or anything, leave that below, guys, because I will definitely do my best to try to get those out to you. I love you guys. I have to get ready for my daughter's talent show. I'm so excited. I will record it though. She's going to be singing. So I'm excited, and I will talk to you guys later, gators.